born as Benjamin Garcia from Malabon, and was known to policemen as one of the notorious criminal in the country during his time, but for most people he was a hero. Benjamin Garcia was named Ben Tumbling, as reference to his previous job as a stuntman. He was an expert in karate and acrobatics that he had used it as his quick escapes from the hands of policemen. Early life. During his early life, Ben had experienced severe trauma from the hands of police whom tortured him and arrested him as a juvenile delinquent. His head was hit hard by chairs, he was dunked in toilet bowl, his genitals were electrocuted. What drove Ben's ultimate hatred to every police was when some of them raped his young wife. Crime involvements, robberies, carjacking, drug trafficking, killing policemen. Due to his killing of policemen, he was then feared by them, Malabon police, and later placed him as most wanted in their list. Robin Hood. Though he was a notorious criminal, it was said that Ben's friends and neighbors are receiving gifts from him in forms of cash and things, making him known as a hero for the poor people of Malabon rather than being a criminal. Ben Tumbling was shot dead on a Friday the 13th of March 1981. He was then 23 years old. All of those people whom he had helped came and wept during his burial. A movie entitled Ben Tumbling, A People's Journal Story, 1985, starring Lito Lapid, was inspired by his story. Written on his gravestone was, Ben Tumbling.
Ikaw ba'y masama o isang dakila? Bakit na marami ang sayo'y humanga? Mga matatanda, dalaga at bata. Sa pagkamatay mo'y ayaw maniwala. Bakit di marinig sa bibig ng tao?
Na kay Ben Garcia Napaput A.K.O.
Bakit si Ben Tumbling ay naging idolo gayong sa balita ay pusakal ito? Bakit ba kayami ang mga nalungkot? Ang iyong buhay agad na natapos? At bakit maraming nagmagandang loob nag-abuloy sa iyo ng katakot-takot? Ang alaala mo ay magiging aral. Sa taga-Malabon at Karatig-Bayan. Ang dalangin nila kung nasaan ka man sana ay kamtin mo ang kapayapaan.